What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get kills in LAZY survival shooter. So if you're looking for a way to get those kills in your account or in survival LAZY, well, as you can see, whenever you visit your account, there's like a kill counter here and also your power. How do you increase that? So the thing with getting kills here, in order for you to get those, you need to attack different bases. Now, to attack different bases, you need to get or reach a certain point in the game first. So, you need to first play the game, but once you start playing the game and you notice that the world icon is now available at the bottom right of your screen, you're now ready to start attacking different players here. So if you press on it, it now gives you the option to view other players. Now, like what I said before, you have your own power here. Now, whenever you're attacking someone, it is recommended that you have at least more power than them. For example, if you visit this user or this player here, as you can see, they have like 3 million power. Well, I just have like 300,000 power here. Now, it is not recommended that you attack this player because, again, they have more power than you and you might basically lose that fight and you'll just lose your troops, which is not what we're looking for. So go and just search for other players or people that are playing right now and has lesser power than you. Now, if you decide to attack this player, just click on the attack button here and proceed on attacking them. Just make sure that your team composition is fairly good, and yeah, so focus on the game. And once you finish attacking them, just you should have the kill counter on your account should increase, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.